Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and today we got Nokia One Android smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, its design, what are the content we got inside the box, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's start it. So here is the retail box of Nokia One Android smartphone. You can see it's a pretty tiny box, so you can get the idea that the device itself is small. And on the front side we got the picture of the device, Nokia One branding. It's an Android Go smartphone, and here we can see few of the most highlighted feature of the device, that it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition. As I said, it features 4.5-inch FWVGA display, that is full wide VGA display. So basically the display resolution is 480p, and it comes with 1GB RAM, 8GB storage, and it's expandable with micro SD card, and it supports up to 128GB of memory card. And then there is 5 megapixel primary camera with LED flash, 2 megapixel front facing camera, and it comes with exchangeable covers, but you will have to buy them separately. So the back panel is removable obviously, and on the back side we got this image of the device. The model number is TA1056, and the device we got inside is dark blue in color, and this is Saudi Arabian unit, as you can see, KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Nokia One Android smartphone. It's pretty lightweight. I think the battery is outside. The user manual and some booklets. Here is the micro USB 2.0 USB cable, a pretty big charger considering the small size of the device. And here is the 3.5mm earphone, and here is the battery. As you can see, it's a 2150 mAh battery. So these are the content we got inside: the battery, the device, USB cable, earphone, the charger, and the user manuals and the booklets. So here we go. Now the battery is inside the device, so let's switch on our Nokia One Android smartphone. And while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about the device, that it comes with Android Go edition of Android 8.1 Oreo, because this is an entry-level smartphone, and it comes with MediaTek MT6737M processor. It's a quad-core processor. It comes with Mali T720 GPU, 1GB RAM, 8GB storage, 5 megapixel camera, and on the front side we got a 2 megapixel camera. So this is our Nokia One. I'm just going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen, and then we will have a look on the device. And here we go. So this is our Nokia One Android smartphone, and first of all let's have a look on the design of the device. So the device is pretty lightweight because it's small as well, and it comes with plastic body, so the device feels pretty lightweight in hand. On the front side there is 480p 4.5-inch screen with 61.6% screen to body ratio. So as you can see that we got a good amount of chin here at the bottom, and also on the top. At the top there is 2 megapixel front facing camera along with the earpiece and Nokia branding in the middle. And at the bottom basically we got nothing, because the navigation keys, they are on-screen navigation keys, so this part is pretty useless, we can say. There is a microphone on the front side, and the white strip all over the front side looks really nice. At the bottom it's a bit thick, but on the edges it's pretty thin and it looks really good. And talking about the back side, as you can see, it comes with plastic back panel. It's removable and it comes with matte finish. Here is the 5 megapixel camera with LED flash, Nokia branding, and here is the speaker provided as well. And on the side we got volume rocker and the power key that also matches with the white accent of the front side. At the top there is 3.5mm audio jack on the left hand side basically there is nothing. At the bottom what we got is a USB port, and that's all. So the design of the device is good. It looks cute in hand because it's small and it's minimal design, nothing much fancy about it. It gives the old school feeling while holding the device in your hand. And now let's have a look on the screen. It comes with 4.5 inch 480p screen, so the screen to body ratio is 61.6%. It's quite low, and the PPI you will get is 218. So as you can see, the PPI is not so great, and the pixels are clearly visible when I'm bringing the device close to the camera. So you can see that all of these pixels, they are visible, but at a distance it's looking quite good. The viewing angles are okay, not so great, but not bad as well, as you can see here. But you can feel the low resolution of the screen at different angle. The touch screen sensitivity is quite good. It's responding to the touches very quickly, so this is really nice. Even though the device screen is small and the resolution is low, the touch screen sensitivity is really good. And this is the app drawer and all of these applications that you will find in the device. You can see that we got Google Assistant, the Go version, obviously lots of Google application. There is FM radio provided as well. Once again, the Google version is Go version. Maps, files are Go version as well, and there is Play Store provided as well, from where you can install some applications. Google Duo. And if you go to the settings, you will find some information about the device. That comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the storage is 8 GB as we have seen earlier. And out of 8 GB, nearly 37% is used. So you will get 5 GB internal storage for you. And you can also use a micro SD card to increase the memory of the device. It supports up to 128 GB of space. So obviously 5 GB storage is not sufficient for anyone these days. So you will have to use a micro SD card for sure. If you go to the system and then to the about phone section, you will find some information that the device is Nokia 1, obviously. Android version is 8.1. Security patch level is of 5th January. And there is some gesture feature provided as well. Basically it's just jump to camera, I think, by pressing the power key twice. Yes, so this is a native feature of Nokia smartphones, we can say. And there is Gboard provided. So basically all of the features, they are stock Android features. This is an Android Go smartphone, so even the Android 8.1 Oreo is customized for this device particularly. And now let's have a look on the camera. It comes with 5 megapixel rear camera, and on the front side we got 2 megapixel camera. So let's launch the camera app and let's have a look on the user interface. So as you can see, the user interface is exactly like other Nokia Android smartphones. So it doesn't matter if this is an Android Go smartphone, a very entry level smartphone, the user interface is still same. So you can see that there is HDR provided as well. That's really nice. So you can either turn off the HDR or turn it on. There is no auto HDR provided. There is timer, flash, and if you tap on this here, you will find some features and camera mode like photo, panorama, beautify. There is manual mode provided as well. So basically what you can do, you can change the exposure level, you can select the white balance, and then there is settings. You will find some features and options in settings as well. And if you swipe on the left hand side, so the video mode will be activated. For videos, what we got is time-lapse and the regular video mode. And once again in the setting you will find a few more options. So now let's take a picture from the primary camera and let's see how good it's going to perform. So here is this tiny toy and I'm going to capture a few images in the auto mode. So let's have a look on the images we have just captured. So this is the picture we have just captured. As you can see, it's not so great. Obviously the image is a bit blurred. it's looking good from this angle, but when we are zooming in, you can see that it's not so clear because the image resolution is pretty low. It's just 5 megapixel. Same here while capturing the image of the retail box. In a small size it's looking quite good, but when we are zooming in you can see it's a bit blurry. Let's have a look on this. This is much better. You can see even in the background the retail box is in focus, even though I was trying to focus on the doll itself, so everything is in focus, but the performance is a bit better compared to previous two images, but still it's not so great. And you can't blame to the camera because it's an entry-level smartphone. It's very cheap. It comes with 5 megapixel primary camera, so considering the money you are giving, still the performance is good and the feature is good as well. You can see that it comes with time-lapse and pro mode as well. So this is the quality you will get. You can see it's pixelated and blurred because of the low resolution. If you go to the info, you can see that this is the resolution you will get with 5 megapixel rear camera, 1920 pixel. So you are going to get a bit more actually in terms of camera performance, considering the amount of money you are paying for this device. So Nokia One is a good choice for secondary smartphone, and also the camera serves the purpose. But if you're going to use this phone as your primary smartphone, then do not expect so much from its camera. So the first impression of Nokia One Android smartphone is quite good considering the price and the specs of the device. The screen is not so great, but still 218 ppi is good enough to use the device and enjoy the content you got on it. The design of the device is really nice and cute. It looks beautiful and it feels good in hand as well while holding the device. And as you can see that the back panel is removable and you can use back panel of different colors to get a new feel whenever you want. And the device is obviously a bit thick with 9.5 mm thickness, but still it looks nice and beautiful in hand, and it comes with a 3.5 mm audio jack. So the design is really nice and it feels so good in hand by holding this device. It's lightweight, small, easy to use, and the back panel can be removed as well. Talking about the performance, it comes with MediaTek quad-core processor and it's looking quite good. It's an Android Go smartphone, so the performance is pretty smooth as you can see here. But we will do a detailed review of Nokia One smartphone very soon, where we'll see that how good this device is going to perform in real life scenario. Right now we are using it right after opening the box, so we will check performance after installing some games, some benchmarking applications, and we will also check the camera quality performance as well. Talking about the camera performance, it's not so great. Obviously it's just 5 megapixel camera on the back, 2 megapixel camera on the front, and the pictures are coming a bit blurry because of the low resolution output of the camera. But again, considering the price of the device, the camera performance is still good. So the first impression of Nokia One Android smartphone as an entry level and cheap smartphone is good from every angle, and it's going to serve the purpose as a secondary smartphone for sure. But we will do a detailed review of the device in our later videos to see how good it's going to be in real life. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.